Air gapping is a security measure that involves physically isolating a computer or network and preventing it from making connections to other network devices. Air gaps help protect critical systems or data from potential attacks like malware or ransomware. Unlike other backup or recovery systems, air-gapped systems are completely separated from other devices. There's usually a specified amount of space between the system and the wires of other technical equipment to prevent electromagnetic or electronic exploits. Some extremely sensitive systems need a physical enclosure called a Faraday cage to block electromagnetic radiation from escaping. To transfer data from an air-gapped device, someone has to take a removable storage device like a USB and physically plug it into the other system. If the air-gapped device is not connected to the internet or other systems, then it is much harder for an attacker to access. Air-gapping is useful for routine backup and recoveries, or where there's critical data and systems that need to be protected. If an organization gets hit by a ransomware attack, the air-gapped backup can be used for recovery while avoiding having to pay the ransom. Organizations can also air-gap critical data on the same rack as other systems in scenarios where they have to handle different levels of information. Air-gap networks are often used where security is a top concern, for example, in the stock market or government. In situations like this, air-gapped systems should have restricted access and be placed a specified distance away from other systems. Air gaps aren't perfect, though, as they are still susceptible to attacks like data keystrokes or screen images can be intercepted from electromagnetic waves, even some distance away with the use of specialized equipment. An instance where an air gap wasn't enough was the Stuxnet worm that attacked all air-gapped industrial control systems. It was thought to have been infected by a thumb drive found by an employee or by a free giveaway. This is it for my presentation.